Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a parallax effect to your store on Shopify, so let's get right into it. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add it in regards, or in the sense that I'm going to be showing you which tools to use and where you can add the appropriate code and everything, but I won't be showing you the exact code and how to code it since I don't know how to do that, but I'll just show you where you need to go to code it up, or just copy and paste code you find on the internet. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I would like you to do is go into online store and go into themes, and then go and browse the theme store for any themes that might have the parallax effect already in them. You can also generate themes with the AI. However, I'm pretty sure you need a paid subscription for that, but there are themes which are in the Shopify store which you can download, possibly even some free ones which already have the parallax effect. You just need to filter it out through the effects you want it to have, and then you'll find one that fits you best. Now, if you want to add the code yourself to your already existing theme, click the three dots next to it, click edit code, and then you're going to locate the CSS files which are located under assets, and you're just going to add a either style or theme.css file, and in that CSS file you are going to go ahead and edit the CSS and add the code that you want. Now, as you'll see, just click here to add a new asset, and you can upload a file or create a blank file and edit it through here. Just copy and paste the code, and you're going to name it either theme dash or theme.css or style.css or something like that, and then once you add it, that will be loaded up into your site. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.